Have you ever wondered about the amazing events that happen around the world that you won't be able to see? Yes, you heard it right. Our planet, and indeed our universe, is a ceaseless source of wonder and mystique, hosting a myriad of phenomenal events that, sadly, most of us will never have the chance to witness firsthand. Imagine events so unique, so captivating that they transcend the boundaries of ordinary experience. These events, whether they unfold in the depths of the oceans, the vast African plains, the high heavens, or even in the remote corners of the world, they all share one thing in common. They serve as a testament to the awe-inspiring power and beauty of nature. From bioluminescent displays that light up the night sea to migrations involving millions of creatures, these are but a glimpse of the marvels that exist beyond our everyday gaze. So, are you ready to explore the unseen? Let's dive into these incredible phenomena that remain unseen by most. Imagine a beach glowing in the dark. This isn't a scene from a fantasy movie, but a real-life phenomenon occurring in the Maldives thanks to the bioluminescent plankton. These tiny organisms emit light when disturbed, creating a sea of twinkling stars beneath the waves. The science behind it is fascinating. It's a defense mechanism intended to startle predators or attract bigger predators that can scare off the threat. Unique and ephemeral, this glowing spectacle is truly a sight to behold. From the glowing beaches, we move to the dancing skies. The Northern Lights, also known as Aurora Borealis, is a breathtaking celestial spectacle. This dazzling display of lights is caused by collisions between electrically charged particles from the sun that enter the Earth's atmosphere. The lights are seen above the magnetic poles of the northern and southern hemispheres. They are known as Aurora Borealis in the north, and Aurora Australis in the south. The Northern Lights are a celestial ballet that few are lucky enough to witness. From the vast skies, we descend to the world of tiny creatures. The monarch butterflies, known for their majestic orange and black wings, embark on an epic journey each year, spanning several generations and thousands of miles. This migration is a spectacle of resilience and endurance. Guided by the Earth's magnetic fields and the call of nature, they traverse from Canada and the United States to the warmer climates of Mexico. The journey of these delicate creatures truly is a natural wonder. From butterflies, we move to a grand spectacle of survival and endurance. Picture this: over 1 million wildebeests, accompanied by zebras and gazelles, traversing the vast plains of Africa in an annual pilgrimage for fresh grazing. This great wildebeest migration, a round trip of some 2,000 miles, is one of the world's most impressive natural events. It's a spectacle of life and death, as these determined creatures brave predators and harsh conditions. This epic journey is a testament to the enduring spirit of life. From the plains of Africa, we plunge into the depths of the ocean. Imagine billions of sardines forming a silvery mass stretching for miles off the coast of South Africa. This is the Sardine Run, a marine event of epic proportions. Every year, these small fish gather in numbers unimaginable, making their way north along the eastern coastline. This mass migration triggers a feeding frenzy among dolphins, sharks, and seabirds, turning the ocean into a battlefield. This underwater spectacle is a feast for the eyes, and for the predators. From the ocean, we journey to the world of exotic flora. The corpse flower, or Titan arum, is a marvel of nature that's as fascinating as it is elusive. This behemoth of the plant kingdom unfurls its bloom only once every few to several years, revealing a massive umbrella-like structure that emits a stench akin to rotting flesh. This malodorous disguise attracts carrion insects for pollination, making its bloom a bizarre yet captivating event. The bloom of the corpse flower is a rare and stinking spectacle of the plant kingdom. From the stench of the corpse flower, we move to a night that never truly becomes night. Welcome to the phenomenon known as the White Nights, most notably experienced in places like St. Petersburg, Russia. Here, during the peak of summer, twilight lingers all night long. This endless twilight creates an ethereal atmosphere, where the boundaries between day and night blur into a continuous dreamlike state. A spectacle of nature, and a poetic reminder of our planet's celestial dance. The White Nights are a surreal experience of endless twilight. From the twilight, we move to a place where lightning rules the skies. Let's travel to Venezuela, home to an electrifying spectacle known as the Catatumbo Lightning. This is not your average storm. It's a relentless symphony of light and sound, occurring up to 260 days a year. With an intensity that can strike up to 280 times per hour, it's as if Mother Nature has her own fireworks display. The Catatumbo Lightning is a natural light show like no other. From the thunderous skies we move to an island painted red. Here on Christmas Island a spectacle unfolds that's unlike any other, the red crab migration. This exodus of millions of crabs moving in unison from the forest to the sea is a sight to behold. The reason? It's all about the life cycle. After a year of underground living, these crabs surface to breed and release their eggs into the sea. Talk about a grand entrance. The red crab migration is a red carpet event of the animal kingdom. From the red crabs, we move to a fiery whirlwind. Fire tornadoes, a rare and fascinating phenomenon, occur when intense heat and turbulent wind conditions combine to form a whirl of fire. These fiery twisters rise into the air, fueled by the combustible material they consume and the oxygen they suck in. While not a common occurrence, they represent a powerful and terrifying spectacle. The fire tornado is a terrifying spectacle of nature's fury. From the fiery whirlwind, we move to a fleeting moment of emerald brilliance. The green flash, a rare optical phenomenon, occurs right after sunset or just before sunrise when the sun's light refracts or bends more extremely. This bending causes the green light in the spectrum to become separated, creating a fleeting flash of emerald. Often elusive, the green flash remains a sought-after spectacle for skygazers and photographers alike. The green flash is a brief but breathtaking spectacle. From the fleeting green flash, we move to a place where fire never ceases. Welcome to Turkmenistan's door to hell. This geological oddity, a gaping crater of ceaseless flame, was created accidentally by Soviet geologists in the early 70s. Upon discovering a cavern filled with natural gas, they set it ablaze to prevent a toxic release. They expected the fire to burn out within days, yet over 50 years later it still burns, a haunting beacon in the desert night. The door to hell is a fiery testament to human error and nature's endurance. From glowing beaches to burning pits, we've journeyed through some of the world's most amazing unseen events. We've seen the ethereal dance of the bioluminescent plankton, the majestic spectacle of the northern lights, and the epic journey of the monarch butterflies. We've marveled at the great wildebeest migration, the Sardine Run, and the rare bloom of the corpse flower. We've witnessed the surreal beauty of the white nights, the electric display of the Catatumbo Lightning, and the relentless march of the red crabs. We've gazed in awe at the fire tornado, the fleeting green flash, and lastly, the door to hell, a burning pit that never extinguishes. Each of these events, in their own unique way, underscores the variety and wonder of our natural world. They remind us of how diverse and astonishing our planet truly is. Though we may not see these events in person, understanding them broadens our perspective of the world and the universe we inhabit.